Namaskar friends, this is NJ, your host on this channel. So guys, this is just a addition to what I already uploaded on my channel on this upcoming retrograde motion of the planet Mars. So guys, we all know that Mars, which is going to be staying in its sign of debilitation Cancer for a long span of time, and within that, on December 7th till February 23rd of 2025, Mars is going to be turning retrograde as well. So I already uploaded a video explaining the results of that, customized to all the rising sign. So over and above that, like just in the morning only, I was having a conversation with my friend from Bharti Vidya Bhavan. You would have seen this person on my channel as well. For one of the Zoom session, I invited him where he talked about the relationship synastry and all, like Mohit. So first we were having our discussion that how from the mundane astrology, once Donald Trump finally in the month of January is going to be taking over the presidential seat in US, and the way whole transit is taking place, because lot many people still take the US natal chart as the Leo, and if you will go by the same calculation, the whole alignment in the month of April, the Rahu Saturn conjunction, all of that is happening in the 8th house. Even Donald Trump, even he has got a Leo Lagna as well, so he will completely respond to the way things are going to be happening. So his policies are not going to be in contradiction. So we were just having our discussion. I'm still collecting details, and once I will have my research data ready with me, then I will present a video. But in this video, in short, I just wanted to say that Mohit only, he brought my attention to this shlok, I mean to say Uttar Kalamrit shlok. Over there it has been mentioned, like I would have indirectly referred that in that video, but I thought, okay, let's give this good news to 3 rising sign, that in their case this retrograde motion of this debilitated Mars is going to be a good news for them. In some sort of reversal kind of circumstances and situation, you will rise. So I will soon tell about all those kind of rising sign, I mean to say. So okay, the shlok mentioned in the Uttar Kalamrit simply says that whenever the malefic planet are debilitated, they become very strong, they give strong results. And over there it has been mentioned that if the same malefic planet which is debilitated in the Trishika Bhava, over there they get retrograde as well, then they get as stronger and powerful as the exalted planet. So that means if you have to give attention to the 3rd house, 6th house and the 11th house, that is getting valid. First, in the case of the 3rd house is falling for the Taurus Lagna. So for the Taurus Lagna, guys, in your case, Mars being your 12th lord and the 7th lord, it is going to be debilitated in your 3rd house for a long span of time. But going by this Uttar Kalamrit shlok and all, in your case it is taking place in the 3rd house, and now it is going to be turning retrograde as well. So this is going to be the golden time for you to initiate and start working on all of those long much awaited projects. Like generally we say this thing, that this is one such kind of alignment, golden alignment, over where people who end up performing the heroic deeds, like some sort of very hard to attain and impossible task, could be attained, could be finalized, accomplished during this time. So for the Taurus Lagna, this whole alignment is somehow getting very strongly valid in your case. The second rising sign is the Virgo. So now guys, in your case, for the Virgo natives, Mars, although it's not a good planet for you, but it is now actually getting more beneficial and more powerful for you, because in your case Mars is debilitated in your 11th house, and now just because it is going to be turning retrograde as well. So from December 7th till Feb 23rd of 2025, you guys have got a golden opportunity to manifest your dreams. So all what I can say is that you are invincible. If you're running dashas are also favorable, and you are in that crossroad in your life, or you are in that stage in your life where you have to take some important decision, you have to give an important performance, you are reaching out for some important contracts, important tenders, you are chasing some important very big deal, or there's some important person whose nod is going to help you to execute that job or that work of yours. So for the Virgo Lagna natives as well, this is a golden time. You guys will run from December 7th till Feb 23rd. Now guys, again I want to make it very clear, a lot is dependent on the kind of dashas you are currently going through. A lot is dependent on that, are you kind of person who gets very easily intimidated if you will face initial failures or something? Because again guys, these are kind of planets and these are kind of circumstances where only if you are going to be forceful, you will carve your destiny. And lastly guys, for the Aquarius Kumbh Lagna, in your case as well guys, it becomes very very powerful yoga, because in your case the same Uttar Kalamrit Sutra, which is like a malefic planet which is debilitated in the 6th house, and now it is turning retrograde as well. So it has got this capacity to give you result equivalent to the exalted planet, like the way guys and this is one such research which got like valid or get tested within the Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan circle as well. Like there is one good friend of ours, like this Mohit only, like he only did the research in our numerology group, and he was telling me that, you know, that guy being a Taurus Lagna, his 4th lord sun is debilitated in the 6th house, sun being debilitated in the 6th house. And when we asked him, majority of his life's undertakings like buying a house, traveling to foreign land, and multiple things happened in the Surya, in the Sun Dasha only in his case, and all happened because of the job. And there have been those cases where people were predicting to him, the novice astrologers, that oh, you will lose your job, you will have debts, and you will have problem with the bosses and all, but he grew rapidly. So that is all what I want to say, that for the Kumbh Lagna guys, in your case Mars becomes your 10th lord and it becomes your 3rd lord, and being like debilitated and now retrograde as well, it has got this capacity to give result like of an exalted Mars. So in your career front, this is the time for you to be on the front foot and take the chance. Like if during this time only you have to write any competitive exam, or you have to appear for any important fierce competitive situation, so stars are favoring you. That is all what I can say, because Saturn is already there in your 1st house, and that is also a brownie points, added favorable points for you, that from the 6th house this planet is establishing a connection with your ascendant lord, which is very strengthened in your 1st house. So yes guys, this is not a time for you to be lazy or look for the excuses and all. This is the time for you to take the chance, and if you're running the stars are favorable, this is, or because guys, it's your 10th lord. So in your career front, planet is ready and hard bent to bless you with something which is going to be very valuable, which is going to be something which could give you a lifetime kind of success or achievement. That is the kind of yoga which is getting formed for you. So yes guys, after that, please, I'm so sorry, I might try to block the comments of this video as well, because I want the maximum participation, because I know after this video, watching this video, if this is not going to be one of your rising sign, you will try to write it in the comment section, just the 3 rising sign. Other people do not have to watch it. And see, so much work I do. It's like I stopped my breakfast just to make this video. So I want the maximum reach. So I'm so sorry. But yes, good luck for these 3 rising sign: Taurus, Virgo and the Aquarius. Make the best use of this golden window of opportunity which is opening for you. So yes guys, this is something which I wanted to say as a part of my inputs. For further more updates and notifications on the divine science of Vedic astrology, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Instagram account.